With this humble spice, it's not just your dinner that's getting more exciting. Something else, yes, we're talking about the enchanting effects of clove water at night after 50s. Yep, you heard it right. From incorporating a robust flavor into your meals to amplifying the thrill in your daily experiences. In unexpected ways, cloves have been harboring some extraordinary secrets. And guess what? They might enhance not only your well-being but also, drum roll, please, your romantic journey. Sounds astonishing, doesn't it? Stick around till the end of the video. You'll receive insights from a seasoned expert who dedicated years of research and experimentation to unveil the truth, and I'm here to provide you with a concise summary. So grab your teacup, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the unprecedented mysteries of cloves. So, let's dive right in. Think of clove water as a natural energy boost. After a tiring day, sipping on clove water replenishes your energy levels, revitalizing your body and mind. At night, with your energy renewed, you can enjoy a touching dance of connection and intimacy with your partner, brought about by this invigorating elixir. In short, clove water could help kindle the embers of romance by equipping you with the vitality you need when dusk falls. Now imagine that. Doesn't it sound like a tale of rejuvenation and boundless passion? Clove water may help reduce feelings of stress. When you're stressed, you might feel tense or anxious. The properties of clove water can help your mind and body to relax and calm down. This relaxation can make you feel more at ease and present, which could help you better enjoy quiet times, perhaps when you're spending time with loved ones. It's like making a space for more enjoyment and less worry in your life. Aphrodisiac properties. As we age, there may be natural decreases in libido due to various factors such as hormonal changes, health issues, or stress. Here comes the role of cloves. Clove water is considered to have aphrodisiac properties that can increase arousal and enhance sexual pleasure, because cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has been suggested in some studies to potentially cause physiological responses that could increase sexual arousal. Drinking clove water is considered a way to consume eugenol in a diluted form. Clove water has the potential to improve blood circulation, which can have positive effects on sexual response and satisfaction. When blood flow is enhanced, it can contribute to increased sensitivity and arousal, thereby enhancing sexual experiences. Hormonal stability. Consider clove water as a behind-the-scenes super helper. It's full of possible advantages for hormonal stability, impacting everything from your energy to your mood, and notably, your sexual desire. Hormones are important for many body functions, including our sexual desire. Clove water, despite its simplicity, is thought to help keep these hormones balanced. Mood enhancement. The enticing aroma of cloves indisputably boosts the passion among couples, instills a sense of comfort within oneself, and bolsters self-assurance. Undoubtedly, these factors contribute positively to the intimate bond shared between partners. Enhancing sexual power often requires considering various factors, and it's normal for not all thoughts to yield immediate results. In my humble experience, psychological factors often play a significant role and can lead to meaningful outcomes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends and family. Stay tuned for the next video,